What's up, you guys? In today's video I'll be replacing the stock chain on my Sur-Ron with a new Pro Taper gold chain, and we're going to be doing some comparisons. We're going to see what the top speed is with this stock chain versus what the new chain is. Supposedly it's supposed to improve your top speed by a couple of miles an hour, and it's also supposed to improve your efficiency. So let's give this thing a top speed test and then compare it to the new one. All right, so I normally get anywhere between 45 and 48 miles an hour with the stock chain. So let's do a real quick test on the stock chain and see what the top speed is. All right, we're at 46 miles an hour. Miles an hour, and the wind is going against me. All right, we're at 47 miles an hour. So there it is, a top speed of 47 miles an hour with the stock chain. So let's get into putting in the new chain and put it to the test. All right, so the first thing you got to do is locate your master link, and mine is on the inside of my bike right there. So we're going to take our needle nose pliers and get that master link undone. So now once you got the master link off, it should take off this piece right here. Just like that. So once you take your master link off and you got that O-ring out, you can pull this other link out. Just like that. All right, so we're going to take our new chain and the new link, and we're going to attach it to the old one. Put this new one right there. Attach it just like that. So now we can just pull it through, hopefully. Just be careful not to grind your sprockets. There we go. All right, so I do have to remove some links. So we're going to take my link removal tool and take off a section. Break that bitch. I hope I've been recording this whole time. There we go. All right, we got the chain adjusted to the right amount of links. Now we just have to adjust the wheel forward a little bit, and to do that we're going to need an Allen wrench. And I also forgot to mention, you are going to need to loosen the rear axle in order to adjust your wheel. So now we will loosen this bolt first, then we'll loosen this one. Forward, just a tad, so we have a little space right there, and then do the same thing on the other side, and we'll be able to move the wheel forward. All right, so when you move your wheel forward, you want to pay attention to these notches. I have mine marked, so we're going to move it up just one notch up to that last white dot, and hopefully that's just enough to give us clearance to connect the master link and get the chain on there. All right, so now that we have the chain connected finally, after adjusting the wheel a few times, we can put the master link on. There we go. Now we just got to adjust the wheel back to where it was, and get rid of some of this slack. All right, so once you're happy with the tension of the chain, go ahead and tighten your rear axle back up. And let's go give it a test ride. All right, now we got the new chain on and we're gonna give it a top speed run real quick. Let's see if there's any difference between this and the stock. All right, so no difference in top speed, but it does feel a little bit smoother. I don't think there's any real difference at all, but there you go. That's how you change the chain on your Sur-Ron X. If you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.